Hello everyone, good morning. Ngayon po ay March 1 na, 2021. Kumusta po kayong lahat? To all OFWs in the Middle East, good morning. And to all OFWs around the world, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Yung nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga. It's already 9:46 in the morning. So as usual, we are checking the PCI today. We have trading. We already started 9:30. So before that, this is only a disclaimer that this discussion is not intended for, there is no recommendation for buying, selling, or holding your positions. This is only purely uh, educational purposes to study the support and resistance. So let's go to the chart. We will see the movement of Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So I will share the chart. Currently, as of 9:47 in the morning, PCI is up by 0.22%. So kung tingnan natin dito sa price movement niya, then if we will close green today, we will expect that the PCI will go up, possible here in this resistant line. If PCI will close green. So, but now if you see PCI here, the previous high is 6,827.17, and now it is 6,810. So it means it's creating a resistance in this area. So sana mag-hold si BCI. So we see the general chart. We'll try to draw a inclined support. This line here. Still nag-hold pa naman si BCI above on this inclined support. And we will monitor this inclined support na hindi ma-break ni PCI, and also this EMI 200, this green line. So if ever PCI will climb, we will watch this incline resistance here and draw an incline resistance. We'll connect the highs. So possible we'll go in this area, this resistant line here. So for now, for me, if this incline support ay hindi ma-break ni PCI, then still okay for PCI. If hindi ma-break ni PCI yung incline support. So this is the only my opinion for thoughts for PCI, no? So still nag-hold pa naman yung incline support and this horizontal support. So we'll wait na hindi ma-break ni PCI, because if this incline support and horizontal support ay ma-break ni PCI, then as I said, it is below all the exponential moving averages. So we call this one as down trend. Ngayon, 8.8 pa naman din pa naman, but we will see MACD. MACD is still below the zero line. So the momentum is weak. Still weak, no? So sana umangat si PCI above on the zero line. still below the zero line. So still weak. You see MACD here, still below the red line and below the zero line. So still weak. Now volume is still low, no? So we need to watch this ME 200 and this incline support na hindi ma-break ng PCI and the horizontal support area here. But if not possible, it will close green today. Possible it will go up above this next resistance line above. But it is if today is red, possible it will go back to this incline support. This is my thoughts for PCI. So let's go to one here, MegaWord. We'll see MegaWord. As of now, most active here is we have D2 and FIS CURC. Again up by 31%. Now MegaWord, there's a bounce for MegaWord now is up by 3.38, 31% as of 9:52. And we need to watch this incline support or resistance rather, come through the incline resistance for MegaWord. So this is the incline resistance of MegaWord. So we'll watch this incline resistance na ma-break ni PACI. MegaWord. Because if not, possible we'll go back to this incline support. This is the support here, this area. So last Friday is trying to touch this line, and there's a short bounce, but we have a resistance, this area, this incline resistance. So we need to see this incline resistance na hindi ma-break ni MegaWord. But if MegaWord will not break this incline resistance, possible we will go back to this area here. So again, it is below the ME 200 and all the exponential moving averages. And we will see MACD. MACD is still below the zero line. So still weak. The momentum is still weak. And you see it is above 25. So it is there's a strength, but downward strength. So we need to see this incline resistance na mag-break ni MegaWord. So now it is currently in the resistance area as of 9:54 in the morning. So we need to wait another opportunity for MegaWord. So still is near in the resistance area. So if there's a pullback, of course, maiwanan kayo din sa taas. No? We need to see, we need to position always in the support area if there is a bounce. Now, most of the, you see here, Max is red, Prot is red, CI is also red, SMPH, FNI. And the top losers as of 9:55 is CEI, 5.33%, followed by API, 5.10%. So this is the top 10 losers as of 9:55. But still, the top gainer is LRW. Now ABA, if we draw a incline resistance for ABA, we'll connect this line here. We can draw, we can adjust the trend line. There are so currently as of 9:56, ABA touches this incline resistance, and there's a rejection. So we need to monitor if ABA will close above on this incline resistance today. Still, there is a time up to 1 o'clock, but if the candle during the closing period is red and still the same candle is rejected, there's a rejection, then we need to watch again here in the bottom of this horizontal support, this line. So nag-hit na po siya dito sa may incline resistance, but there is a rejection as of 9:57 in the morning. But still there is a time. You need to watch and monitor ABA if the closing price is above of this incline resistance. So we need to monitor because there is a rejection. You see the candle here. There is a rejection in this incline resistance. So for me, I will wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. But we see the MACD. MACD is still below the, still above the zero line. So we need to wait if there is a curve up of the MACD and cross to this, there's a crossover to this red line. This is the signal line. So MACD is still above zero line. What we need to see here, if there is a breakout of this incline resistance, and MACD will cross on the signal line. So we need to monitor the movement of ABA, but you want to be aggressive for ABA. For me, still I will wait another price movement of ABA, especially if we will break this incline resistance. So possible there is a short retracement. We'll see this line here. So we'll draw a line. If there is a retracement, this support, incline support, dapat hindi ma-break ni ABA in this area. Okay, if this one ma-break, then of course it will go back to this horizontal support line below. So this is my opinion for ABA core. Is hitting the resistance line, and there's a rejection. If there's a pullback, we need to watch this minor incline support na hindi ma-break ni ABA. Because if this minor support ma-break ni ABA, of course it will go back to this horizontal support line below. So this is my opinion for ABA. MPI, we'll see Metro Pacific. So easy line now is red, green. Closing is red as of 10 o'clock in the morning. Still LRW is the top gainers. We have Prim, Is up by 11.27 VUL. RLC is down also led. This is the chart of MPI. MPI is still, for me, there is no confirmation candle as of 10 o'clock in the morning. If we draw the resistance, incline resistance, so still he is in the resistance area in the lines. So for me, the base area I need to watch if the price will go up above all the exponential moving averages. This exponential moving average 50 and this 20, this red blue line. This red line, this is the exponential moving average 50, and this blue line, this is exponential moving average 20. So if ever there's a breakout of this minor incline resistance, then we need to watch if the price will go up above all the two moving averages, this 50 and 20. For now, we don't want to be aggressive because it is in the incline resistance area as of 10:02 in the morning. So just monitor this incline resistance na ma-break ni MPI, and the price will go up above all the exponential moving average, the two exponential moving averages. But if not, just wait. We need to wait another price movement of MPI. Next one, ER. We'll see ER. As of 10:02, LRW is still the top gainers, and MEG is red, and the NRCP is also red. Max is red. URC is up. C is now again red, 4.02. Tech is now if you see ER Abra Mining, this there's a short bounce here in the ME 100, this orange line. But if we draw the incline resistance, we draw the incline resistance here. Still below this incline resistance. So again, it's still a downward movement. We need to watch here in the ME 200, ma-break ni ER yung ME 100, this orange line. But if you see the movement, still in a downward. If ever there is a breakout of this incline resistance, then this is the time we need to watch here. This incline support, previous incline support ay na-break na po ni ER. So still there's no confirmation candle for ER. So as of 10:04. Provided if ever there's a breakout of this incline resistance, then we need to see if you will go up above on this horizontal support. If there is a bounce here, or there is this support ay mag-hold. But for now, currently as of 10:05, still there's no buying signal for ER. So we need to wait for another opportunity or another movement of ER price movement. Si Ludi ay green, si Vita, MM. Now APL, if you see the incline support, still nag-hold pa naman yung incline support ni APL, this line. So if you have a position in the bottom, just watch this incline support na hindi mag-break ni EPL. But if you see the current movement of EPL as of 10.05, still is in the resistant area, minor resistant area. So it's clear here that there is still a downward movement of EPL, but we need to watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni APL. Kasi kung ma-break yan, of course, it will go down. We will see here, in this area here, the support area. So, but if ever ma-break yung incline support, then the movement of the price will be changed for EPL. We'll see MACD. MACD is still above the zero line, but it's closing down. So the momentum is now weak as of 10.06. We will see the next movement of EPL, but for my general opinion, I will wait this incline support and then break the EPL. But if the movement of EPL is still the same as what we have as of 10.07, so we need to be alert because this is a sign of weakness, and there's a possibility that this incline support and a break the EPL. So if it will go up by above 0.26, for me this is good for EPL. If it will go up above 0.26, if it will close 0.27, 0.28, then this is good for EPL. For me, we have different point of view for each stock. But for me, if it will close above 0.26 or 0.28, this is good for EPL. But if it will close red and the same position as of now, 10.08, so we need to watch because the momentum is now become weak, and there's a possibility that the price will going down and break this incline support, this line. So next one, we have three only, BSC. D2 is still in the most active. It's up by 3.22%. And the next one is FIS, LRW, URC, PHE, BDO, LODI, one verbs VUL. So this is the most active as of 10.08. Now if you see BEC, still holding this incline support. So for me, I will watch this incline support. But if ever the price of BEC will close above 1.11 or it will close 1.13, for me this is good. It will close up. This is the next possible direction of BEC. Okay, but for now, we need to watch this incline support and it may break the BEC. Always watch the incline support. It's above the zero line, but below the zero line. So it's a crossover of the MACD, and the price will close above 1.12 or 1.13 or 14. This is good for EPL for me. But if we will close here on this bottom line of the support, this incline, then this is not good for BSC for me. So as a swing trader, this is not good for me if the price of BSC will close red today. The opening is 1.11, and dapat hindi siya mag-close below on this incline support. We'll see this incline support always. But if there is a red color, today will close below the opening, of course, there is a possibility that this incline support ay mag-break ni EPL. The momentum is now become weak. Dapat mag-bounce si BSC above 1.11 or 1.12, 1.13 mo. So we'll see. But still, if you buy in the bottom here, just watch this incline support na di mag-break ni BSC. This is my personal opinion only. So it's depend on your strategy. But for me, this is my general opinion. We need to see this incline support na di mag-break the BSC. Because now it's going sideways movement. But if we will close above 1.11 or 1.2, yes, 1.11, or for example, we will close 1.13, 1.14. For me, this is good for BSC. But if not, we need to watch this incline support na hindi mag-break ni BSC, this line. Next one is VUL. Still ACEN now is up by 1.63. LC is down. MEG is down. It's red. Si VUL ay nag-bounce po dito sa may support line, this line. And now he's reaching this horizontal resistance. So you need to avoid buying for bull now, unless if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance above. Now it is the resistance area. We need to see na hindi mag-break niya yung horizontal resistance, this line. So if not, we need to wait if there's a pullback again for VUL. But for me, current candle is still okay for me, but is in the resistance area now. So if ever there is a rejection and they will not break this resistance, we need to wait if there is another fallback of VUL. But if there is a breakout, then it's good for VUL. If you see MACD, MACD is still below the signal line. So still the momentum is weak, but it's still above the zero line. But we need to watch again if there is a breakout of this red line, if the MACD will cross again above this red line. So now current position as of 10:13 in the morning, it is in the resistance area. So we need to watch if there's a breakout of this resistance area. So don't be aggressive for VUL if ever will not break this horizontal resistance. There's the possibility there is a pullback again, and we need to wait always in the support area. This is the right time here. There is a bounce in this area. But if ever will break this resistance, then it's good for VUL. So last one is ACEN. GFC is up. It's green as of 10:14 in the morning. SM is also green. Green is red. And LRW is still support. So this is the area we need to watch for ACEN. If you have a position in the bottom here, if you buy it here in the bottom during the bounce, this is the area, the incline support that we need to see. Dapat mag-hold siya sa area, sa line na ito, no? It will be above on this line and it will not break this incline support. This is the line that I need to watch now for ACEN. So if you buy it in the bottom, then what's that incline, minor incline support na hindi ma-break ni ACEN. Because kung ma-break yan, of course, it will go on this area. But still, in the general, it's still above the incline support, this major support here. Still above this area. Just he is going sideway movement. But if you are a swing trader, what's this incline, minor incline support na hindi ma-break ni ACEN. So I hope you learned something about this discussion, this support and resistance. If you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box below. And shout out to Engineer Edwin Belan, to Engineer Edwin Vergara also. And to Engineer Ryan Lasaka, thank you for your support. So if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all, always. So we need to keep safe always.